and she's ready. She's ready. I'm wearing a little velvet skirt moment with a little boots. Then we have the coat as well. Oop. She's second, buddy. Today's the day, Christmas Eve choir. So we had one final run through with the band, and then we got a little substance. Thank you so much. And then I had to warm up the vocal cords because I was like, wait, we're actually performing today. And then it was showtime. Service down, one more to go. Second service, everybody. We made it through. Wow, and I only cried once. Is that a wrap? Merry Christmas, y'all.